Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on hiding your game activity, game history and games list on PlayStation 5. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the dashboard of PS5, move to the top and then go to the right until you get to Settings and open them. In Settings, open Privacy. In Privacy Settings, select View and customize your privacy settings. Scroll down to the Your Activity section. Here you can easily hide your online status and currently playing, and hide your game history. You can also hide games from your games list. Choose the games you want to be hidden or choose all of them. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more PS5 tips and tricks.